Sometimes I get this unshakable urge to go to nature, and today that brought me here. Just look at this. How does this even exist? How does this exist? And this, all of this, is why I remember that even in the darkest, the most challenging of times, that it's going to unfold in a way that is perfect. Because if whatever created this is also in charge of everything else in this universe, I know that I'm safe. Because this is beautiful. Just look at this. This is life right here. And this benevolent force that created all of this also created me. And I know that this force creates beauty, and this force comes from a place of love, because love is the backbone of everything in this universe. And that reminds me that love will always prevail, even if it doesn't look like it in that snapshot in time. So